Okay, so I want you to imagine to turn a simple Google Maps search into a lead machine that's going to find leads for you, write personalized emails for you, and even follow up for you while you are sleeping. So this is one of the most powerful cold outreach systems that we have built that's going to scrap Google Maps, going to filter out top leads for you, find decision makers, and then write personalized emails using their reviews in the copy, and then also follow up with a custom video message. All this on autopilot. So this is how the future of cold outreach looks like. And if you want to use this system for your own business, make sure to join our school community. And if you're new here, I'm Magdalena. I'm the co-founder of RepliQ. I'm here to help you automate your entire outreach process with strategies and approaches that actually work. So if you're interested in that, make sure to follow for more, and let's get started. Okay, so before diving into the flow, let's talk about the logic behind it and why we chose to build this for you. So the problem is that most people, they ignore Google Maps. It's one of the most untapped lead sources out there. We have millions of businesses who list their information. They're verified, they're local, and they're ready for outreach. But what do most sales teams do? They chase the same leads everyone else is chasing, the same old email lists or scrape data from LinkedIn. And even when they do use Google Maps, they waste hours copying data manually or sending generic and boring cold emails that land in spam. So here's a better way, and it starts with automation, personalization at scale. So this is what we built inside of Enit, and all you have to do is basically to enter a search like dentists in Austin, and it's going to scrap Google Maps at scale, their names, websites, reviews, etc. And we're going to filter out the junk, find decision makers' emails, removing duplicates, irrelevant listings, and large companies you don't want to sell to. And then we're going to send us two-step cold email sequence in Smartly. The first one is written with context, pulling the company's Google review to show relevance and research. And the second one, a follow-up message that includes a personalized RepliQ video with a Google Maps screenshot of their location in the background, making it feel hyper-targeted. So here's an example of the RepliQ video inside of the email. You can see me here and then their location in the background of my video. And obviously this is done at scale, so we have different locations for different businesses. And in the first email, we're also pulling their review on Google. So you can see here that we pasted the Google review after the company that we are talking to. And the best part is that this never stops. This agent runs 24/7, unlocking new leads constantly with zero manual work on your part. So this is why it works, because relevance wins. You're not spamming, you're sending messages based on something real, their reviews, their presence, their location, and you're going to stand out instantly in the inbox. And the RepliQ video, that's your secret weapon. It adds a face and a voice to the outreach. It feels human and it builds trust fast. So for who is this? If you run a lead gen agency, a SaaS startup, or local service business, this is your edge. Whether you're selling SEO, marketing, automation, or software, this agent works. So all you have to do is to set it up once and let it run forever. And as you can see, we already built this flow for you, and all you have to do is to join our school community to steal this and use this for your business. So now when you understood why it's so powerful, let's dive into the flow. Okay, so here's two flows I have for you in this video. I have this one and also this one. And now I'm going to show you how insanely powerful this is. So all you have to do is basically to insert a Google Maps search like this, like restaurants in New York. And here you can see the flow is running automatically for us. And basically what it's doing is that in the first flow right here, it's going to scrap all of the listings that we have on Google Maps like this. So we have restaurants in New York, and it's going to scrap all of the listings here. And in the second flow right here, we're going to collect their business data, like their company name and their last review and websites, etc. And after that, we're going to find the top decision makers and their emails using something called Animail Finder. And after we're having their emails, we're going to also update a Google Sheet right here with all of the data. So here you can see that we have scrapped their name, website URL, their reviews, their review score, last review, phone, and then we have the URL for their Google Maps that we're going to use inside of the RepliQ video. We find their emails. So here we filter out the 3 top decision makers. And here you can see that we right now are making RepliQ videos adapted to each of the leads at scale. So here you can see that we have this one, where I'm talking in the bubble in the video, and then we have their location in the background of my video. And obviously this is done at scale, so we have different videos and different locations for different restaurants in the background of my video right here. And the second flow is basically when a new video is done, it's going to retrieve the data, extract the information, and then add it inside of SmartLead, which is our sending tool in this video, and then update the sheet again. So now we can see that it's sent to SmartLead right here. And if we look at SmartLead, we had no lead before starting the system. And now if we update here, we have new leads that the system just put inside of SmartLead for us. So if we check the final reviews, we can see that the first email that we're sending is, I was going through some businesses on Google Maps and saw this review. So we are taking their last review to make it super relevant. It's always interesting to see what customers are saying. I help local businesses like yours and attract more qualified leads through highly personalized outreach done automatically. If you're curious, I can send you a short video to show you how it works. So if they are not answering on this, we're going to also follow up with a second email with this video where we say, just wanted to follow up. I recorded a short personalized video for you. In it, I explain how we can turn your online visibility, like those Google reviews, into consistent leads using AI and automation. And as you can see, we are directly standing out in their inbox because we are showing them something super personalized and humanized with me in the bubble in the corner, and then changing their location in the background of my video. And this would obviously pique their curiosity because this is much more humanized. The call to action is really soft and warm. We say, would love to hear your thoughts if you give it a watch. So I really hope you see how powerful this system is, that's going to turn a simple Google Maps search into a lead machine with a super personalized approach that actually works. That's going to increase your reply rates, book you more meetings, and fill your pipeline. So if you, like me, see the power of this flow, make sure to join our school community. Here I upload flows like this each week in these classrooms for you to use in your own business. So we created this community for you if you are an entrepreneur, business owner, or salesperson that wants to use tech and automations to scale your business. So basically what we do is to build flows like this so that you can use those plug and play systems for your own business. So if this is you, make sure to join now because prices increase each 10 members. I really hope you find value in this video, and if you do, please comment and like this video down below. I really look forward to talk to you in the next video. Have a good week. Bye.